Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Smoking the herb and we're drinking beers. Everyone is awake, we're just sitting there. And I don't really want to go, but my heart is on the road. Float on a wave just to feel the air. The sun shines on my back when the skies are clear. And I don't really want to know, darling, just let it go. We could leave tonight. Have ourselves.
Hello guys, I just really wanted to have a chat with you about what we're doing next. We are leaving for Kos, but actually on the way we're gonna hit up an island called Nisyros, and it's a volcano island which is populated around the base of a volcanic crater, which is really cool. So the boys are really into their natural disasters, as you'll know. I think they're gonna absolutely love it. It's just gonna be like the most epic science excursion ever. Hey Josh,
I've been looking for you. Hello.
You're looking for me? I'm only in here.
Yeah.
Are you going up on deck? You look like you are.
I've just been up there. Daddy's let me play on my iPad up there, and I use a blanket also for some shade so I can see my iPad properly. And when it's sunny and I've got my iPad, when the sunlight shines on it and the dust particles get in the way of me seeing the screen.
How awfully rude of the dust particles. Do you fancy a game of Connect 4?
I do fancy it.
Come on then, let's do it. Yeah, okay guys, I think that's my cue to go. Should we go and get set up? 6 hours later, and we are getting closer to Nisyros. So we've had a really good day of just motoring, and yeah, it's just been lovely. I've done a lot of schooling with the boys today because it's been so nice and calm. I've been able to get a lot done, all my work done. Ross has had a nice cruisey, chilled out time of it. He's been listening to his audiobook the whole way, so he's a happy bunny because he hasn't been able to do that for quite a while. And yeah, we're nearly at Nisyros. So we're just in the little port now, we're about to anchor up. So we're going to try and squeeze in between those two over there. And it's all looking quite relaxed and quiet and chilled out at the moment. Let's hope the anchoring is as well. Push the button, push the button. Off we go. Anchors away. So far, so good. That was like the quickest anchoring ever. This is what I mean about sailing community. Everyone is so helpful. Everyone just jumped off this boat over here, Dream Yacht Charter, came along, and they've pretty much sorted out all our ropes straight away. Amazing. Thank you. Thank you. We're nearly sorted. I've got a really good vibe already. My vibes are saying this is a good place.
We almost feel like we know what we're doing.
I know. Just the best vibe here. The people at that shop are so lovely. Nikki and her husband. They've even donated us a bike.
Have ourselves an ordinary paradise.
So we got some wheels. Check us out. That's our car. Met a really nice couple just down the end here on the right. They're a couple with 3 kids, similar ages to ours, and they did us a really good price. So yeah, really happy. We're going to go and see the volcano, and we're going to bring you along the way. And this is the biggest crater apparently.
And this is
It's Stephanos, isn't it?
volcano. It's just still sleeping at the minute.
But still a little bit active. Look, there's steam coming out of that.
Where?
Over there.
Can't see the steam.
Should we go get a closer look, Josh? How are you feeling about this, Noah?
I'm really excited to go at that volcano. That's not going in.
That's a crater. We're in the volcano. That's a crater.
And Josh, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling I am not scared at all. The smell's getting awful.
The smell's getting awful, it is, isn't it?
The volcano.
We are.
I'm standing on Sulfur. Anna.
That's steam, look.
I see. She's touched it. Right?
What's that? How's your comfort zone in here?
Fine. Just don't really like the smell. What about you?
We like to be in here when it goes
The
off.
same.
The ground feels really unstable. Noah, you can't go past those lines.
It's for magma.
Like, you could just go at any moment. You can hear the steam, Ross. And there's some steam coming up over there. Steaming over there, look.
I think the volcano's awake now.
Ross is getting nervous.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Hungry.
No, you're not. You're nervous.
I'm not, no.
You so are.
He's not.
Okay, whatever you say, Josh. We've got to go now. I'm so scared. He's freaking out because there's like steam coming up everywhere. And the lady at the reception was telling us how it's dormant. So it's sleeping, but it can still erupt at any point, any moment.
The volcano's awake now.
The volcano's awake now, apparently. Oh, it's really cool. Come on, Noah. Oh, typical kid. Doesn't mind going down, but doesn't want to go up. Whoa. Hold hands?
No, she's
Want to hold hands? I'm not carrying you. Not on your Nelly.
Okay.
Come on then. Is that nice?
Yeah.
That nice, Daddy.
Nisyros volcano is actually a sulfur volcano.
It is.
Here's a funny fact. Sulfur smells like rotten eggs and gone off milk.
Ross has just taken the boys back to the car for a chill because I'm going to go up this one over here. Weirdly, there's like a sweet smell. Oh, it's almonds. I can smell almonds. Amaretti. How weird is that? Okay, we're nearly there now. It's been quite a stomp, but I'm pretty sure from what I've heard, it's going to be well worth the view. Let's go check it out. Oh man, that's something else. It's so yellow. Can you see the sulfur coming off the cliffs there? So it's smoking all the way around it, look, out of the rock. That is unreal. It's a very active part of the volcano. This is amazing. So amazing. You can see the view behind me as well. absolutely stunning. This is what life's all about. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Looky down there! So much sulfur. Can you see it coming out of the rock here? Oh my goodness, it's coming out of everywhere. It looks like something off the surface of the moon.
How are you feeling?
Fine.
Yeah?
Until I get any edge. I'll look at it from here.
Did you have a little bit of a moment in the car?
We're not going to talk about that.
Okay. Come on.
Is it a shoe drop?
No, it's not that bad. Let's walk on the wall now.
No, you are never allowed to walk on the wall. I believe in walking on walls, but there's a limit.
We were just down there. See, I was feeling like that in the volcano. I'm fine now.
Stone and feather move outside your head. Now or never. Strong in every step. Give me a sign. Hitting the mark. Take to the sky. Chasing the stars. Open your eyes.
Just had a big gust of wind and the drone has just fallen in a bush down there. I'm not going to tell Laura because she's going to go mad, but I've got to go down and get it. So I've just tried to get it, but it's too dangerous with flip-flops on, so I'm going to get some trainers on first. Got to face Laura now.
Yeah, can I have my drink, please? Thanks.
Be back in a minute, right? Past the point of no return now. So I bailed on the drone. I decided that it was too dangerous to do the last bit. I've got a rope and a climbing harness. I thought, you know what, it's just not worth taking the risk. So I got as far as I was happy and then decided to turn around and come back. And tomorrow in the morning, I am going to abseil down and get my drone back. Because I can't live without my drone.
I can't believe you lost the drone over a wall. And the most annoying thing is, for once, I told you, don't climb on the wall. Don't be a big shot. Don't stand on the damn wall.
And I lost the drone over the wall.
So you didn't go on the wall. You went over the damn wall. And down the other side of the flipping cliff.
Yeah.
Oh, give up.
So.
Give up.
But there we go. So in the morning, you'll get to see me do a bit of abseiling. It's been a while, but I've got the gear, so I should be able to do it safely. I hope I don't get into any trouble.
So, well, you will get into trouble if you don't get the drone back. You'll get into trouble with me.
It's been a long day. We spent the day in the
Working.
volcano, so I'm going to bed.
Did a
Or
whole
we're
day
going to bed.
together. It's been terrible.
Over and out.
Bye.